Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is Unity Fundamentals 1 Mat1 Answer8. So the first question is, suppose you want to execute a particular method at a particular time of the animation. How would you solve this problem? Okay, so I would solve this problem with an animation event. So all I need to do is that inside that animation clip I need to add an animation event at that specific time, and then I can define I can call any public method from that event. It may be one of multiple methods. So yes, so all we need is a public method that we need to call, and an animation event. So it inside an animation clip at a specific time, so it will that function will be called. The second question is, what is animation state and transition? Okay, so Unity uses an animation state machine to control the animations of different entities, different game objects, for player, for enemy, or for different for something else. So Unity uses animation state machine. So animation state is nothing but just a basic block, that basic block of animation state machine. So animation state is a basic block of animation state machine. Multiple animation states, multiple animation states define the entire behavior of a animation state machine. Okay, so that is the animation state that holds and since it is about an animation state, that it will hold an particular animation clip, the data that the animation that should be played at that state, right? And the transitions, so animation transitions are nothing but a way to executing another state, transforming from one state to another state. It's just a way. Let's say there is a player and there are multiple animations. So let's say there are two right now currently, an idle animation and then there is a run or walk animation. So all I need to do is there are two states. So idles, there would be one state that runs the idle animation, then there would be a second state that runs the run animation. Then I can transition from idle to run animation on some condition. If that condition is met, then I say, okay, I need to transition from the idle state to run state, and that is it. What are the different types of parameters that you can set or update in the animator window? Okay, so there are 4 different types of parameters that I can set and update. So first is float, then the integer, then the boolean, and the last one would be trigger. So yes, that is it. Thank you.